You've just gotten divorced. You now have a divorce decree in hand. Unfortunately, even though your decree is legally enforceable, your ex may still fail to adhere to the terms ordered by the judge. The good news is that if you cannot get your ex to honor your divorce decree, it is within your rights to seek to enforce the decree via the court. Keep watching for a how to enforce a divorce decree. Pinpoint the problem. The necessary steps for enforcing your divorce decree will ultimately depend on the provisions that your ex has failed to follow. For instance, your ex might not be caught up on their spousal maintenance and child support payments, or perhaps they violated your established parenting time and child custody order. Before you attempt to enforce your divorce decree, take a good look at the document to make sure that you understand both your and your ex's obligations. Then determine which requirements your ex isn't meeting. Have a talk. After you've determined which divorce decree obligations your ex has failed to fulfill, you may want to talk to them directly about this issue. Specifically, you should remind them about the decree and let them know that you'll be enforcing your rights immediately if they don't address the situation. Information gathering. Let's say that your efforts to motivate your ex to comply with the divorce decree are ineffective. At this point, you need to begin gathering evidence to support your argument in court. For instance, look for financial records or written communications that support your assertion. A divorce attorney can help you to determine which records to obtain and compile for a possible enforcement action in court. For instance, look for financial records or written communications that support your assertion. A divorce attorney can help you to determine which records to obtain and compile for a possible enforcement action in court. File enforcement motion. When you're ready to file your motion for the enforcement of the divorce decree, you'll need to attach your evidence along with other documentation required with the form. Your attorney can assist you in filing your motion with the county's clerk of courts. Note that your ex may be considered to be in contempt of court if they are not making child support or spousal support payments as required. Also, they may be deemed in contempt of court if they are not complying with specified visitation and custody agreements. The next steps. There are several next steps you'll go through, including the hearing, debt collections, seizure of property, selling the marital home, and more. For information on all of these, see our blog in the link. Need an attorney? Having an attorney by your side during the enforcement action process may make it less complicated and intimidating for you. In addition, with an attorney's help, you'll increase your likelihood of attaining the outcome you want. We offer top-tier legal services to individuals who are going through the divorce process. Divorce can no doubt be a financially and emotionally challenging process. And if your ex doesn't comply with your divorce decree, this can feel like adding salt to the wound. Fortunately, with our help, you can navigate this matter with confidence. We have extensive experience with representing clients in enforcement action hearings in court. Furthermore, we have a track record of success in representing clients in multiple aspects of court. These include child custody, child support, property division, spousal support, and domestic abuse. They also include divorce settlement agreement modifications, father's rights, and even grandparents' rights. Get in touch with us to learn more about how we can make your divorce process easier and fight for your best interests. We'll work hard to achieve a favorable outcome for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, then be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.